Good morning. Sedgefield Huts, just outside of Sedgefield, up on a mountain. What a spot, look behind me. Fantastic. We're going to end up on a farm just outside of Plettenberg Bay, but the route we're taking today is we're going to go back on the Karatra Link Road, but we're not going all the way back to Karatra. There's a road that goes to Barrington, so we're going to go around that way on the Barrington Link Road to get back to the Seven Passes Road, so that we can continue with that. And then we're going to go all the way through the mountains like that, through the passes, and then down back to Neisner. We're going to go through Neisner, see what that's a beautiful place. I haven't been there for a long time. And then from Neisner we'll be heading through to the farm. So the next couple of episodes you'll be traveling with us on this. So enjoy it and let's get going. So we are departing from Sedgefield Huts, and ours specifically called Porcupine.
No. Honeybee.
Honeybee, where's Porcupine's next to it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, Honeybee. Sorry, it shows you how confused I get.
And that is Rooikat.
Rooikat. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's cool, eh?
Wow.
And I thought we'd be hot.
And it wasn't
but it was really not.
But you can see it was cloudy and it rained a bit this morning.
The drizzle was nice.
Cooled everything down.
That's probably why they put concrete on here.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Again, I think this can probably become a slip sliding away situation.
Definitely. Don't look at me. We made it in, we'll make it out.
Didn't seem that steep yesterday afternoon.
Do you want to go check there where the guys paraglide from?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Let's go check that out.
It's called cloud base paragliding. Is what I saw on the truck van.
Okay. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. Look at this. This is the view from up here, where we not too far from where we stayed at the Sedgefield Huts. We're trying to find the place where they paraglide from, but this is awesome. What a view. How's that picture to show where the paragliders launch from? That is pretty cool.
He's not attached to his parachute.
Yeah, no, I don't know what he's hanging on. Or maybe he's falling, I don't know.
So cute.
This is pretty organized. Wow. They organized, yeah, eh? What a sight, eh? How beautiful is this? And this is where they launch from, over here, and then they go whoop, like that one we saw there at Porterville. What a view. This was really interesting, and the view from here is amazing. Okie dokes.
The view is gorgeous from up here.
Yeah, it is.
It's a
Stunning.
very beautiful place.
I'm blown away with Sedgefield. We've driven past here so many times and never
Yeah,
made
but
the
just
effort.
zooms through on the
Exactly,
yeah.
exactly.
Those
Flowers.
flowers,
So now, do you want to look for breakfast or?
Yeah, let's.
Yeah, in Sedgefield.
Well, is there other opportunity within an hour from now?
No.
Let's,
I
yeah.
won't take that chance. We're hitting the back road, so
Okay.
let's look for a place for brekkie.
Right.
Now, have you seen a place where we can go for a breakfast?
No, but there are quite a few places that we drove past yesterday, eateries. We'll have to figure it out, see who's open.
Yep. We're going to try Mac Butners or see if they've got a breakfast, eh?
Yeah.
Is it Mac Butners?
I think they're doing that part.
Let's go see. Well, I've ordered myself a breakfast pie. And what are you having? A croquette. This is nice outside here, eh?
Yeah. Let's have a seat over there.
Cool. Over here.
Yeah.
Breakfast. Now, interesting. Those are croquettes.
Yes.
Sonny's having the croquettes. I'm having a breakfast pie. And there's egg and bacon in there. You want to cut it open?
Yeah. I'm going to do the side so that you can...
Look at that. So nice.
That's a first.
Really a first for me. I'll let you know what it tastes like. Bon appetit.
Good? You toast the egg?
Taste the egg, the bacon and that cream. Very
Oh,
nice.
the white sauce, you said.
That breakfast was stunning. Yeah, at Mac Butners. So, breakfast done. Mac Butners.
Cool place.
The owner's name is Rob.
Yeah.
Come support him.
Very nice.
Very nice breakfast. Stunning. Very nice seatbelt. Stunning.
He's a big fellow.
This is a big... Check him.
Oh, cool.
Hello. Wow.
He's a big one. I wonder where the rest of his family is.
I think he comes from behind. Amazing. He's huge, eh?
He's big.
This is pretty up here. I'm hoping this becomes gravel. Somehow I've got that sneaky suspicion it's going to.
And I hope your sneaky suspicion is accurate. It certainly looks that way.
Looks gravel, eh? It looks like dust. There's gravel that side. Oh, for sure. There we go. Gravel it is.
Trail park.
Yeah.
15 meters. Oh, you see? Garden Route National Park.
Okay, is this it? This is that goes down there. Wow.
We're not going there.
No, I never planned to go there.
Okay.
But maybe we can go and have a look. We decided to turn around and just see what we can get to see at the Garden Route National Park. It wasn't part of the plans, but plans are made to be changed.